The entry of Aptera into the electric vehicle space could be a turning point not only for consumer expectations, but for the industry as a whole. This company isn't just delivering an EV, it's designing a vehicle that prioritizes sustainability through energy efficiency, lightweight construction, and advanced solar integration. If successful, Aptera could carve out a whole new segment within the EV market, one where ultra-efficient, solar-powered cars redefine what we expect from transportation. In a time when the EV industry is saturated with high-performance vehicles that require regular charging, Aptera is introducing something genuinely different. Their design could serve as a model for energy-independent transportation, especially in sunny regions where solar power is abundant. And it's not just about the car itself. Aptera's approach could drive new investment into solar technology, sustainable transport, and even inspire partnerships with government bodies and green technology advocates aiming to push sustainable innovation forward. Recently, Aptera revealed the first completed structure of their production-ready vehicle. This step lets the electrical systems team finalize the layout of cables, connectors, and components for the Pi 2, bringing it closer to the finished product. Founded in 2006, Aptera has always stood out for its unique vision, building a lightweight, ultra-efficient solar-electric vehicle that challenges the conventions of traditional and electric cars alike. Although Aptera has seen its fair share of challenges, the company's current momentum is promising. With production expected to start in 2025, we're now closer than ever to seeing Aptera's vision materialize. Let's take a closer look at Aptera's journey, challenges, and potential for the future. The founders of Aptera have long been concerned with environmental issues, a passion that continues to fuel their mission today. For Aptera, efficiency is everything. The Aptera vehicle consumes far less energy than conventional EVs, thanks to a unique three-wheel design and aerodynamic shape that minimizes drag. The car's design isn't just about being different, it's about being purposefully efficient. Aptera's flagship vehicle is lightweight and aerodynamic, designed to cut down on energy loss. It also incorporates solar panels on its body, a feature that allows it to generate energy while on the road. Under optimal conditions, these solar panels can provide around 40 miles of driving range per day without charging, which is why Aptera refers to this feature as Never Charge. Aptera's journey toward a production-ready vehicle involved several groundbreaking innovations. The company has invested heavily in production tools for the car's main body structure, ensuring that each component is built for efficiency. Collaborations with companies like CPC Group for body parts and OpenToilet for autonomous driving technology have helped push Aptera forward, turning the vision of a sustainable self-charging vehicle into reality. At the core of Aptera's approach are four standout features. 1. Ultra-lightweight body. Built with advanced materials, Aptera's body design focuses on reducing weight to improve energy efficiency. This translates to longer ranges and lower energy costs. 2. Aerodynamic design. The teardrop shape minimizes drag, making Aptera one of the most aerodynamic vehicles on the road. With a drag coefficient of just 0.13, it's designed to glide through air with minimal resistance. 3. Solar integration. Solar panels on the roof, hood, and hatch allow the car to harness solar energy, providing up to 40 miles of range under sunny conditions. In ideal weather, drivers may hardly need to charge the vehicle at all, making it ideal for regions with abundant sunshine. 4. Extended range battery. With configurations ranging from 250 to 1,000 miles on a single charge, Aptera has set a new standard for battery efficiency. These options make Aptera's vehicle appealing to both city commuters and long-distance travelers alike. While Aptera has made impressive progress, it hasn't been without its share of obstacles. The company's initial launch in 2011 was derailed due to financial difficulties and technical challenges. However, Aptera relaunched in 2019 with a refreshed focus on lightweight materials, efficiency, and solar technology integration. The 2019 relaunch was also backed by substantial funding, with Aptera raising over $100 million through crowdfunding and venture capital. This financial boost enabled Aptera to refine its designs, secure industry partnerships, and attract attention from sustainability advocates and EV enthusiasts alike. With close to 50,000 pre-orders, Aptera's unique vision has clearly resonated with a growing base of supporters eager to see solar-powered vehicles on the road. However, Aptera's road to success isn't guaranteed. The company will need to maintain steady investment and navigate ongoing supply chain challenges to achieve full-scale production. But Aptera's ability to overcome these challenges could set the stage for similar models in the market, positioning it as a leader in energy-efficient transportation. Aptera's facility in Carlsbad, California, is nearing completion, with custom robotic systems in place to help assemble the car's lightweight structure and solar panels. The company's unique design requires specialized processes, which are still being refined for maximum efficiency. Aptera has worked closely with regulatory authorities to ensure safety compliance for its vehicle, even conducting rigorous crash testing to meet high safety standards. As production ramps up, Aptera plans to prioritize models with a 400-mile range, followed by higher range options. The company aims to meet pre-order demands through a phased delivery model, gradually addressing potential production issues and delivering vehicles based on reservation dates and customer locations. Though Aptera has built substantial momentum, challenges remain. The EV market is growing increasingly competitive, and Aptera will need to maintain steady investor interest while managing complex manufacturing processes. Its unconventional three-wheel design and niche focus also mean that attracting a large consumer base will require effective marketing and consumer education. Supply chain constraints, especially for batteries and specialized solar panels, present additional hurdles. Aptera will need to secure a reliable parts supply to meet its production goals. Fortunately, partnerships with companies like Elaf for motor components and U.S. Capital for raising funds show Aptera's determination to overcome these obstacles. The countdown to production. Aptera is on track to begin production by early 2025. As it moves closer to this goal, the company is simultaneously securing more funding through convertible note offerings to support scaling efforts. Aptera's 2025 timeline aims to roll out the Pi2, Pi3, and Pi4, each a further refinement toward efficient, solar-powered transportation. For Aptera, this journey goes beyond the production line. It's about proving that an energy-efficient, sustainable, solar-powered car is achievable. As the EV market shifts toward greener options, Aptera's unique SAIS EV could set the benchmark for sustainable transportation. Aptera's vision of a solar-powered electric vehicle with a range of up to 1,000 miles could finally become a reality. Though the company has faced challenges, its commitment to lightweight design, solar integration, and partnerships keeps Aptera moving forward. In a world shifting towards eco-friendly solutions, Aptera represents a powerful example of innovation in sustainable transportation. The countdown to 2025 is on, and all eyes are on Aptera as it prepares to launch a vehicle that could redefine how we think about energy-efficient, solar-powered travel. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement is crucial as we continue covering Aptera's exciting journey to production. See you next time.